Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and I got something special I'm doing today. So, I've gathered my tools and everything, making something new because I had to get rid of the old, and just stay tuned so y'all can see what I'm doing. It's something for the skin. Hi everyone, welcome to Our Treasure Home. I'm Nancy and welcome back to the channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers, to my members and everything. I greatly appreciate it. So today, I let my hair dry and I put some mousse in it so y'all can see. This is all natural curly hair. But my hair is thinning and it's been doing that for a very long time and I don't like it. I used to have really nice, thick, long hair and I want my hair back. So I do know when I use rosemary in cooking and everything that helps. And when I eat flaxseed, that helps. Horsetail, and it was something else that helps with your hair. So I had this like little spray bottle and I've used it before and then you get out of the habit and then everything else. And I have some rosemary essential oil, but this is going to expire pretty soon. I've had it quite for a while, so I got some things coming in the mail. I'll be showing y'all how I make my own rosemary oil. Now, I won't be making essential oil, but I'll be making oil for like to put in your salves and things like that, and even to cook with. But this one I'm going to take, and I put about 20 drops in there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, a couple extra. And all I do is at nighttime, you shake it up, spritz the hair, and get it all in there and everything. And it smells so good. Rosemary just smells so good. And then that way, overnight, it just, to me, it just gets into my hair, into my scalp and everything and all. And in a few days, I noticed a difference. Also, you can use this and put maybe like, depends on the size of the bottle of your shampoo, how many drops you would need. And I have a bigger one, so I would probably put like 15 drops in, and then try and mix it all up so it's in your shampoo also. So I've done that, and that helps out a whole lot. So as you know, I am going through alpha-gal flare-ups and everything, and so I'm doing the Daniel fast. But also I looked up about castor oil. Could someone be allergic to that? And yes, they can be. So I'm just thinking, I'm wondering if some of, like, on my hands, this right here is definitely from something I've been eating and everything, and it's starting to get really, look at that, look how much that is clearing up since I've been doing the Daniel fast. So I am really excited. It's not itching. I'm starting to know what foods are triggers and everything. So, and unfortunately, I'm peanut butter. I'm sorry, I can't eat that one. So, and I still love peanut butter, so I'll just have to figure out. I'll get some small ones and see which ones I can have. I've had all natural peanut butter before and just didn't eat up fast enough, so maybe get a little small one of that and try it and see what's going on. But I need to make some more oil back, to help with my hands and everything. So, I can bring it over here. All right, hold on. So my finger is starting to get better. I was just trying to crochet and I was able to hold it again. I was like, oh, that's wonderful. So hold on one moment. Okay, so I made this new. It's just olive oil and rosehip oil and frankincense. So I can put that on my hand. Because I have noticed not having the castor oil, and rub and everything, but my hands are getting tight again. My knees ache. So it was working on me. I can say from my experience, I'm not a doctor, nor do I play one, even though I was an EMT for a while. What worked for me, I can tell the difference now that I'm not using it. But if that was part of my hands plus what I was eating, what was going on and everything, I need to find something else out. So I had showed y'all, some of y'all, my finger was like it was peeling and splitting right there. That's healed up. So now I'm gonna make something new. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing for my other options. So I got me a new bottle and I've cleaned my other ones. So I'm still going to use my olive oil. And I'm looking at getting some like jojoba oil or almond oil. I do have coconut. But this one's refined coconut, so I might just use that for cooking and order me some unrefined coconut oil. And that way I can use coconut oil also. But according to the Eat Right For You Black type, I'm supposed to stay away from coconut oil. So that's like a catch-22. So I'm going to use my rosehip oil. And we'll put probably 3 or 4 dropperfuls in here. That's 2, 3. Yeah, I can put another one in there. 4. So I also have some neem oil. But what I'm going to do with that is just wait and test that separately. And that way, if I don't have a reaction to that, I can add that into a bottle. I'm going to add some frankincense. And I will link some information down below about the different products and like frankincense that I'm using and everything, what it's good for. Alright, if y'all hear the boiling, I am cooking some beans because I'm going to make red fried beans. Then I have different scents from ylang-ylang, citronella, sandalwood, lavender, peppermint, vanilla, eucalyptus, bergamot, and lemongrass. And so since I have the frankincense, I could add like sandalwood to it, which would help with more about inflammation and everything. But I'm going to add some vanilla because I want some pretty scent in it. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what I'm going to add with that. And you can change up the scents. You can, add so many different things. So clean that out. So then I've got this. You shake it up. And then okay, something wrong with this top. And you just rub it on your hands. So I have noticed the difference that I didn't have. And so I haven't had any for like between 5 and 6 days. And so it was time to make some new. I just got this, brand new. And okay, so as long as it's still, see, it's something stuck right there, but I think it's this part too far in. There we go. So now it was just the glass part pushed too far in. So I will label this and set it on my table and have some nice oil on my hands. I can put some here on my arm and everything, and that will help that also. Sorry. I put 1 or 2 drops. It helps with the dry skin. And there. It's just unbelievable. So, well, it is believable. So that is some of the things I'm making and everything. My home herbal stuff and everything. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being here. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.